The styling of the Giulietta is down to, like a lot of cars of the period, rather than being a product of a committee, it's down to one guy. And Scaglione, Franco Scaglione, was a designer who, at the time, was an employee at Bertone. But his work that led up to the Giulietta was quite academic. His interest and his development with aerodynamics was comprehensive. He designed a run of cars that are known as the Bat cars, Berlina Aerodinamica Tecnica. And they were a series of studies on aerodynamics effect on styling. And they were a very famous series of show cars that did the world circuit, but also notably, one or two of them were raced.
Were they?
Yeah, they actually, in America specifically, the Bat
right.
cars were raced, one or two of them.
Yeah.
I was at the Alfa Romeo Museum 12 months ago, and I was lucky enough to see one of two of the 2000 Sportivas, which were another run, very short run, basically prototypes. And the back of this Giulietta Sprint looks as though Scaglione basically cut it off, shrunk it, and made it the back of the Giulietta Sprint. But it really just, it works.
Yeah.
The thing is so balanced and so well proportioned, and you think they didn't really have much influence for this car. It is,
Yeah, I mean, you look at the Alfa Romeo coupes that were the predecessors to this car. They looked a lot heavier, just in the way the body shape looked. They're beautiful, elegant cars, but bigger in dimension. When you look at one of those compared to a Giulietta Sprint, the size difference for one, but also you can see some of those aerodynamic looking lines coming into the Giulietta Sprint compared to the previous car. Look, I've got to say, all of the design elements really match, the thought processes that I think were going on in the brains of the designers. Like that really aerodynamic look. All the lines look purposeful. When you look at the side profile of the car, it sort of comes out, gets bigger, and then comes back down, and everything sort of looks aerodynamic in the way it's designed.